So we're going to be making angel ornaments, and we're just going to use an old hymnal, and I'm just going to take 2 sheets at a time, and I'm just going to fold the sheet of paper back and forth, like making a fan until the entire sheet of paper is used. And then this is going to be the skirt for our angel. Now there are different ways to make these angels. I'm going to do something a little bit different than I've done in the past. And we're just going to fold again the sheet of paper, and then once it's all the way folded, I'm going to take the 2 sheets apart. I'm just going to use one per dress, and I'm just going to fold that sheet of paper in half. And this is going to be our angel's dress, and we're going to take hot glue and just glue both sides of that paper together so that when it opens up, it'll be like a half semicircle dress, and that is going to be the bottom of our angel. And then for the angel's wings, you could actually use a page of the hymnal as well and just cut them a little shorter. Instead of doing that, I actually took little raffia bows, and you can just make your own, or you can buy these ones. I actually got them 8 for $1.25, I think, or something at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to hot glue that on to the top of my book page. And then I'm going to feed twine through this upholstery needle, and I'm going to use that to just go through a wooden bead here. And this is going to be our angel's head. I'm going to tie off a knot below the bead of the angel, and that's going to be attached to the wings. And then with the top portion, I'm going to tie a knot as well, and that's what I'm going to be using to hang this ornament from the Christmas tree. So you just tie a knot on both sides, and then we're going to hot glue that wooden bead on top of those wings. And our angel is going to really be complete after that point, but you can decide if you want to further embellish your angel. I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just glue the angel's head on, and then those little pieces of twine are going to hang down in front of her. And then what I'm going to do with those is just tie a little bow, as if I can get my hot glue gun to work here, I'm going to tie a little bow with the twine hanging down, and that's kind of just like the front of her dress. Just another way to add a little bit of detail to my angel's dress here. If I can get it tied, just give me 1 second. There we go. Okay, and we can leave the angel just like that, or we can further embellish it with buttons. Now the last step is to attach your angel's wings. I didn't have the nice wings that are in the kits when I made this video, but you have these nice little angel wings that you can just hot glue on to the back of your angels, and that will give you a really nice little finishing touch to these angels. The gold really just emphasizes the raffia and the music sheet, and I think just ties it all together. So here are our finished angels. They're so beautiful. You can always add extra buttons or halo to the angel with twine or raffia to finish it off. But these are so cute. I've gotten so many comments on these, and I hope that you enjoyed making them. Let me know at elizabeth@awellpurpose.com if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for purchasing this kit. I hope you enjoyed making your music sheet angel ornaments.